Hi, my name is Samuel James Price, and every single day I give you the news, a 3 to 5 minute segment to break down what's happening in cryptocurrency. Is an exchange stopping withdrawals? Did somebody get hacked? What's going on? Did a layer 1 or layer 2 advance? Let's find out today on the Crypto Lifer News segment. Layer 1 project's Initia emerges from stealth with a pre-seed investment from Binance Labs. And I don't see Binance going anywhere in the long term. I really don't. The developers of Layer 1 network, Initia, have come out of stealth mode. The team secured a pre-seed investment from Binance Labs, though it did not disclose the amount. A group of developers working on the Layer 1 network, Initia, transitioned from stealth mode today, securing a pre-seed investment from Binance Labs, the venture capital and incubation arm of the crypto exchange Binance. You know what? I like when I hear about a Layer 1. I'm sick of Layer 2s. I really am. It's going to be a battle of the Layer 2s, and that's just what's going to happen. I want to see some Layer 1s. Initia will operate as a Layer 1 and host scalable application-specific Layer 2 developed using optimistic roll-up technology. The Layer 1 Initia will also facilitate cross-chain interactions between these roll-ups. We are thrilled that Binance Labs is an early partner to accelerate the growth of Initia's high-performant hub. So now you know about a new coin you've may never heard about. It's called Initia, all right? And Initia will leverage a computing framework named MoveVM based on the Move smart contracting language. The Move language isn't exclusive to Initia. Other Layer 1 chains, including Aptos and Sui, have adopted it. The project remains in development phase on a testnet. Initia developers say they have planned partnerships with other notable crypto projects. Might want to get in on that testnet if you can, or find out, there's probably will get some airdrop from that. Just something to think about. Really cool, though. I'm excited to hear that. You should be, too. UK FCA working on blueprint for fund tokenization due this year. The UK financial regulator said earlier this year it was speaking to firms and trade groups in relation to proposals on fund tokenization. Yeah, they're going to have everything tokenized. BlackRock already got it done. It's going to continue to move over and over again. And Jim Cramer doesn't know Bitcoin. The TV talking head said Mr. Bitcoin is about to go down big on CNBC. I can go out with Bitcoin because I can't be in something where Mr. Bitcoin is about to go down big, said Jim Cramer live on national TV. An expert from the Node newsletter. I mean, there's some TA behind some of this. The first time I may actually somewhat agree with them, but you never know. Bitcoin's currently trading at 26 down from 28,000 5 days ago and is well off its 68,000 peak. But it's 68% up this year, and the first cryptocurrency is still dominating the market. It really is, right? It really is. And there's a chance we don't go down, everyone. I'm not 100%. There's a chance that hidden bullish does come out on that day, on that 8 hour. There's a chance we do recapture the 300. We don't lose the 200 SMA on the 3-day. But this guy always kind of says whatever he wants, man. And half the time he says something, it goes the absolute opposite in the market. There's actually like a back test indicator on him. It's weird that he has that much of a reputation because a lot of times he does say something and then they go down. He's like, I like this. He even said he liked an airplane stock. The next day, one of them fell out the sky. It was a coincidence, but still. And like, God bless those people that did. That's horrible. But the whole thing is, he has this weirdly, uncannily way of like being, saying what happens and the market completely going the opposite way. But Alameda lost nearly $200 million in phishing attacks. Ex-engineer says lax security practices seem to be a feature of the former crypto trading titan. You'd expect big-name traders to ensure high levels of security and steps in place to protect against phishing attacks and hacks. Dude, they were like having spider monkey, with all sorts of you-know-whats, doing all sorts of you-know-what. You know what I mean? They had no idea what was going on, man. Apparently, they were all doing each other, but not Alameda Research. The beleaguered Sam Bankman-Fried run company lost at least $200 million to a variety of common attack vectors that run amok in the industry, as per news claims. They probably just clicked on links. Next thing you know, they lost it. No one wanted to say anything. $200 million, man. These people were so insane they lost that much money. This meant virtually no code testing, incomplete balance accounting, safety checks for trading would only be added as a needed basis. Oh, my God. Blockchain private keys and exchange APIs were stored in plain text in a file that several employees could access, dude. Are you kidding me? Blockchain private keys and exchange API keys were stored on plain text. Dude, these decisions allowed us to move at breathtaking speed, developer velocity that would make any Silicon Valley software engineer shed tears of joy. However, the flip side of this trade-off was that we had a major security incident once every few months. Yeah. The point is scalability and security. You can't scale. He's like, oh, we were scaling way better than everybody else. Like, that's like saying the car was driving way better without the windshield on. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, it was going faster, but like you didn't have a windshield, my man. Anyway, that's the news, everybody. I hope you were excited to hear from me today. God bless each and every one of you for jumping on in, and I'm going to jump on in.